Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the interactive chart tool and how to configure it to create a bubble chart. First, we need to make sure that the data is appropriate for creating a bubble chart and contains a numerical field that we can use as our variable in the size of each bubble. Looking at the data down here, we have various countries and their population in thousands in 1985, as well as their percentage growth from 1985 to 2015. Now that we've ensured that the data is appropriate, I can add an interactive chart tool, run the workflow, and we can begin to configure the tool. Note, if you want to avoid creating a chart in a grid pattern, use numerical fields as they display in a range, as opposed to string fields which chart in columns and rows and are categorical. Okay, so now that we've taken a look at the data, I can select Add Layer. I've already got a scatter chart, which is good because I can choose the field on the style layer configurations for variable size of scatter points to create a bubble chart. So on my x-axis, I'll choose the countries, and on the y-axis, I'll choose the population in 1985. Now this data set is population of each country from 1985 to 2015, and total population here is total population in 1985. And we're going to visualize the growth of each country from 1985 to 2015 here in a second. I'll go down to the Style Layer page, and we can see this option to vary the size of each point, which is now set to constant, and I'll choose Variable, which allows me to select a field, which I'll select 2015 growth in order to see that percentage growth for each country. It's a little hard to see, so I'll change this size scale to a 5. And if we zoom in, you can see it in better granularity, the original population in 1985 of each country and the relative growth of that country. Thank you.